हॅलो स्टुडंट, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. हा चॅप्टर 10th स्टँडर्डसाठी खूप महत्त्वाचा चॅप्टर आहे. कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री मीन्स फाइंड द डिस्टन्स ऑफ टू पॉइंट्स. For example, point A and point B. The coordinate of point A 2, 5 and the coordinate of point B 4, 3. The point A 2 is the value of x1 and 5 is the value of y1. 4 is the value of x2 and 3 is the value of y2. So find the distance between AB. So for find this distance using the distance formula. Distance formula is that AB is equal to in root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the distance formula. Okay, so if given is the example AB, coordinate of A 2, 5 and coordinate of B 4, 3. Find the distance of AB. So using this formula, let x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to 3. By using distance formula, AB is equal to in root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now put the value of x2 and value of x1. Value of x2 is the 4 minus value of x1 2 whole square plus value of y2 3 minus value of y1 5 whole square. Now calculate this. 4 minus 2 2 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square. Now calculate 2 square 4 plus minus 2 square 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 8. The distance of AB is root 8. Root 8 is not a perfect square of any number, so that's why we can write in this way. AB is equal to in root 4 into 2. 4 is the perfect square number of 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is the distance of AB. So therefore the distance of AB is 2 root 2. Okay. Second example, using distance formula. For example, AB is equal to in root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. Okay, so for example, find the distance of C 5, 8 and D point 8, 9. Okay. Using this formula, find the distance of CD. Let 5, 8 its coordinate x1 and y1 and point D its coordinate x2 and y2. So therefore x1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 8 and y2 is equal to minus 9. x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 8 and y1 is equal to 8 and y2 is equal to minus 9. Find the distance of CD is equal to in root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now put the value of x2 and x1. Value of x2 8 minus value of x1 5 whole square plus value of y2 minus 9, main sign is minus, value of y1 8 whole square is equal to in root 8 minus 5 3 square plus minus 9 minus 8 minus 17 square is equal to root 3 square 9 plus minus 17 square means the 17 square 289. You can calculate here 17 multiplied by 17. 7 7 49, carry 9, 7 1 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 7 and 1 9, 1 plus 7 8, 1 plus 1 2, 2 8 9. Okay, is equal to in root 289 plus 9. 9 plus 9 8, carry 1 8 plus 1 9 and 2 298. CD is equal to 298. The distance of CD, the distance of CD is root 298. ओके, या पद्धतीने आपण एक्झाम्पल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल फाइंड द डिस्टन्स ऑफ m 3 2 given points n 3 minus 4. Second example O, its point minus 3 minus 4, P points minus 8 minus 3. Using this formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, using this formula you can find the distance of mn and distance of OP. So distance of mn here x1, value of x1, value of y1, value of x2 and value of y2. Using this formula you can calculate the here mn is equal to in root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and put here and calculate the distance of mn, and using the coordinate O and P, so distance of OP. Next point of this chapter, slope of line. Slope of line, very important topic for 10th standard, 2 or 3 marks. Slope of line, you know slope of steps, for example point A and point B. Point A coordinates 2 5 and the coordinates B coordinates 4 3. So now find out the slope of AB. Slope of AB. So using the slope of lines formula, slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, if the given is the point A, here value of x1 and y1, point B value of x2 and y2. Using these x1 y1 and x2 y2 values, put here and calculate the slope of AB. Now point A, its coordinate 2 5, that means value of x1 and y1. Point B, its coordinate 4 3, x2 and y2. Let x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 3. Now using this formula, slope of line AB. Slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now put here value of y2 3, minus value of y1 5 divided by value of x2 4 minus value of x1 2. Now calculate 3 minus 5 minus 2 and the 4 minus 2 2. 2 divided by 2 1 plus minus minus 1. So slope of line AB is equal to minus 1. Using this formula you can calculate the another examples. For examples, in exam for the 1 or 2 marks, find the slope of line CD and given here coordinate of C 3 5 and coordinate of D 8 minus 3. So using formula slope of line AB, using this formula you can calculate the find the slope of line CD. Okay. So on the graph paper given point here C and point here D, so you can calculate the slope of this line CD. So your formula is that if given is the coordinate C and D, so that time your formula slope of line CD is equal to y2 minus y1 and divided by x2 minus x1. Put the value of x1, y1, x2 and y2 on that formula and you can calculate the slope of line CD.
Thank you.